Good morning, students. This is your environmental studies period. Student, today we will start new chapter number 13. In the previous video, you have already learned about the member of school. There are so many members of school. Now, today we will learn the another type of member in our society. They help us. So today's topic is people who help us. Before starting the chapter, student, can I ask some questions? Give me the answer of these questions. Can we repair our car or scooter on your own? Can we build or paint our house on your own? Can we cut our own hair? Your answer is no. These work we can't do ourselves. There are people who help us in doing all above things. There are many more things for which we depend on other. Let us now read about the people who help us. Student, here is a list people who help us. Farmers, fruit sellers and vegetable sellers, mechanics, milkman, policeman, firefighter, plumber, barber, electrician, washerman, postman, tailor, mason, city cleaner, cobbler, writer, musician, and singer. We usually take help from those people in our daily life. Let us know more about them. Students, can you recognize this man? Yes, he is a farmer. He is a very important person of our society. Farmer grows vegetables, fruits and other crops in the field. Student, yes, this is a vegetable or fruit seller. Vegetable and fruit sellers sells vegetable. They bring vegetable and fruits from the farmers and sells these vegetables and fruits in the main market. Students, when your father's bike or scooter or car not working properly, then you, from where your father repair your bike and scooter? From the mechanics. So mechanic repairs our machinery and vehicles. There are many more people who help us in different way, like milkman. Milkman gets up early in the morning and bring milk for us. And milk is healthy for all. After seeing a lot of people who help us in the community, let's see policeman. Students, some of these people help us in emergencies, like policeman. So, when we need police in the case of emergency, then we call on which number? 100. It is an emergency number to call the police. Student, the policeman is an important public servant. He is strong, tall, and a healthy man. He is a government servant. He wears a smart khaki uniform. You can see in this picture, the policeman wears khaki uniform. He keeps a small stick in his hand. See? Yes. He plays a very important role. He has to maintain law and order. He has to do a lot of works. He go from place to place to catch thieves. and bad people. Student, firefighter is also an emergency service. When we face some emergency, like we got fire in some place, then we call firefighter. So when we call firefighter, so which number we use for calling firefighter? The number is 101. 101 for calling firefighter. It is also an emergency service. Firefighter means the people who fight with fire. The people who fight with fire. They help us in the matter of fire. Their vehicle are in red color. You know very well. You can see in the picture. This fire brigade. This is called fire brigade. This is red in color. There is a red light on their vehicle. Yes, you can see. And also siren is also there. They protect our life. They wear proper uniform because it is a very risky job. Very risky job. So we should take care of firefighters. We should respect firefighters. Students, plumber is also a very important person of our society because he also help us. He fixes pipes and taps for water. If there is not proper water supply in our house, we call the plumber. So plumber is also a very important person of our society and he also help us. This is a barber. Barber cuts our hair. Nowadays, there are so many saloons in the society. They are very fancy. This is a very important person of our society, electrician. He fixes electric wires and switches. His work is very risky, so he always wear gloves. He wears rubber uniform because if he not wear these things, he got shock. We have learned about few people who help us. In the next video, we will know about some other people who help us. So, thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and learn the chapter. Bye bye.